Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Confirm your phone has mobile data and enough battery, and use a good USB cable. Once connected, unlock the phone and accept any trust or permission prompts. On iPhone, turn on Personal Hotspot. On Android, set the USB connection. Make sure the computer sees the device. Windows may install drivers automatically. If the device isn't recognized, swap cables or USB ports. This initial detection is why quality cable and permission prompts matter. Now enable the tethering feature on the phone. On Android, go to Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering, and toggle USB tethering. On iPhone, ensure Personal Hotspot remains on. Then, on the computer, verify the new network adapter. Windows often names it RNDIS or a mobile broadband adapter and may need a driver update. On Mac OS or Linux, look in Network Preferences or use ifconfig. Once drivers and interface are active, the OS will route traffic through the phone's mobile connection. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser and load a page to confirm internet via the phone. Make sure to monitor mobile data usage and turn off USB tethering when you're done to avoid unexpected charges. If you don't get online, make sure the phone's USB mode isn't stuck on charging. Switch to File Transfer or PTP briefly, reinstall or update the RNDIS/mobile drivers on the PC, and restart both devices. That troubleshooting step fixes most recognition and routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.